Alrighty boys and girls, welcome back to video 2 of the epic Troopy Tourer build. Now Uncle Trent has been busy while we've been away and the Troopy is pretty much empty. Have a look at this. Ugly bonnet scoop's gone. Had to be done. Completely cleaned out. Now, pretty much everyone knew we were going to keep it, but there is one thing I have to say. The Troopy has been sold. Boo! To Uncle Trent. So, that's cool. It's staying in the family. So basically, we're at the strip and inspect stage of the build. So everything's out. Seats, vinyl, roof lining, the whole shit show. We're just basically having a squeeze, seeing how bad things are or how good things are, and doing a wish list. So this is where you guys come in. It is a bare shell. We are starting from scratch. What do we need? I'll show you our little list. And pause the video if you must, and drop a comment and let me know what we're missing. So here we go. Here's the have to do list. Leave it like that so you can pause the video. So pretty much this is to get it roadworthy. That's the main goal. So it has to be on the road, registered in Trent's name before we can get too serious, and then we'll get to the wish list. So obviously some of this stuff isn't roadworthy required, but you know, that's what we have to do. Once we've got all that good stuff done, we've got number plates on her and it's all registered, we're good to go, then we can get onto the wish list. So I'll show you that one. So here is the dream list. Just wait for the compressor to turn off. All right, dream list. This is what we got. So you guys need to help us add to this. Probably going to be 4 or 5 teen pages long. So I think number 3 needs to be at number 1. Everyone's got a turbo, and they do make supercharger kits for these engines, so I'll flash that on the screen now. I think that has to happen. 35-inch tyres is a must when you got a 6.5 litre V8. High mount winch because they're cool and fast. Exhaust will depend whether we do go supercharger or turbo. Obviously that'll be different. 12 volt setup is going to be pretty epic. So if anyone has done a Troopy like kit out, send me a link and I'll have a squiz at that. Roof rack and solar. The Travel Buddy oven, you know those 12 volt ovens, because everyone likes sausage rolls and party pies. Lockers, front and rear. I like air lockers personally, only because I used to work at ARB and I've had them in all my cars and they've never let me down. Suspension and a filthy big awning. I've got a bushwhacker on mine, I love it. Never had any dramas, not paid, not sponsored by anything here, so this is all just our opinion. But yeah, let us know what you think. Give us your tips and ideas because we are starting from scratch. Obviously, you know, it's all cosmetic shit, we're not worried about that. But how's this for a blank canvas? Pretty happy with that. There's room for days in this old girl. Oh, and one other thing has to be done if I can find where he put it. Yep, there it is. The duck. The duck has to go on. The 80's got a duck. We've had ducks on all our old cars before I was doing YouTube. So the duck's going on. Yeah, so pretty pumped, very excited. The windows, the Emu wings are gonna be epic on this. And we're thinking, you know, like ideas, what we're chasing from you guys is like drop down table, you know, shit like that. Where do you put a water tank in a Troopy? Can you do storage up there? Like things like that we don't know. So we're asking for ideas.
Yes, never had a Troopy.
No.
Very excited, very keen, but I need ideas.
Yeah.
Sounds like an overgrown tin can at the moment.
It is a bit of an empty shell. But yeah, hook us up, let us know what you reckon. Anything that is a dead set must, like we have to have it. That's the idea of this video. So smash the comment section, light it up. Let's have a good read, and we'll add to our list, and we'll get back to you when there's some more progress. So anyway, cheers.
Be part of the family.
Yep, community build this one, and we're gonna get it wrapped. We've pretty much decided that. So
oh, it is. It's a must now.
Yeah,
I'm done on it.
Yeah,
and I'm not good on panel work, so wrap will help me there.
Yep. Emmy's excited. Cool. That'll do. See you later. Toodaloo. Ta-da. Bye. Mwah.